My name is Desiree Adkins, and my home search was overwhelming for me. A lot of looking and hurrying and not sure what to do, so very overwhelming. I chose to go with Allen Edwin Homes because my realtor brought me here to look at some homes, and everything just fell into place. Everybody was very helpful. It felt much more relaxed and made me feel really comfortable. I purchased a spec home because it was the best option for my family. Not too many choices, but still something that was very beautiful and what we wanted. My floor plan is the 2280, which is the one that we're in now, and built in Knollwood Condo Association. My favorite part about my new home is just being the first one to live in it, having a lot of room. Everybody is like, wow, there's so much room, and it just feels like a home. My favorite part about my new community is it feels really safe. There's lots of families. We recently had Halloween, and it was just a lot of people out and really friendly, and something I haven't seen in a lot of neighborhoods recently. My favorite part about my experience with Allen Edwin was that everybody was just very helpful, a lot of information, never pushy. I kind of thought coming in the first time it would be like, hurry up, choose, buy, and that's not at all what I felt. I felt reassured, we're not here to rush you, and everything just fell into place really smoothly. The other types of homes that I looked at were pretty much everything. Used, I didn't really look at new because I didn't think it was something I could afford. So just a lot of older homes. With the market being so out of control, they were priced really high and needed a lot of work. And so coming to look at Allen Edwin Homes, I was impressed with the options and the price, and knowing that if I had any issues, it would be covered under warranty. So it felt safe, it felt comfortable, and that was ultimately the reason that I chose an Allen Edwin home. I would recommend Allen Edwin Homes to other families or individuals because it's really an amazing process. It happened very quickly for my family and felt perfect. I mean, I was terrified to buy a home, especially in the market that we're in right now, and every step of the way I was reassured. I was asked questions, given answers. Anything that I needed was just really smooth and seamless throughout the process. So if people are looking and they're nervous, I would say this is a great opportunity.